Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief, Wednesday, October 25th. So, looking at the news for today, you can see there's no 8:30 news, no 9 o'clock news, 9:45. We do have a 10 o'clock news, new home sales. It's a medium impact. Not particularly interested in new home sales due to the fact that I'm more interested in permits and building starts than I am home sales because usually the way it works is that if somebody buys a permit, they're going to finish the house and it's pre-sold. That's usually the situation. Sure, there's some spec homes, but on balance, most homes are built with a buyer already on the hook. That being said, 10:30 we have crude oil inventories, which is really important if you're a crude oil trader. We have 1 p.m. We have ECB President Lagarde speaking. That's always potential impact, and that's a orange item, which is medium impact. And then at 4:35, we had Fed Chair Powell speaking at 4:35 after the markets close. So be interesting to see what he has to say and how that affects the aftermarket trading. But really, not much going on today. Looking at the daily chart, so we still have our big head and shoulders pattern. Yes. Another thing I was looking at, or was thinking about, was the doing some market symmetry. So I'm just measuring this down move here, and then I'm going to go to the next spot where we had a high, and that was close, not perfect, but what about that one? That one's even closer. And what about that? Well, see, there we go. That's projecting 41.51 as a potential bottom. So that's kind of interesting. Also, if you want to take a look at, we did have our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day pattern, 6th day up. Now we're gapping back down. Market's kind of ugly. There's a double bottom right there that was penetrated, but there was no close below it as a 42.36. That should be some support. But where could we go? I think we'd easily test the lows from a couple days ago, 42.14. And I think 4,200 is the big number nobody wants to talk about. To the upside, maybe we can get back up into the 4,300 area and above. But I think the short term, at least, even medium term, is down. So it is what it is. Taking a look at the intraday inventory. Inventory was kind of, it's not what it said, it's what it didn't say. We have a bounce day, decent price action, and we got nothing. Absolutely garbage, 2,800. So, this does not match. I mean, you can tell, you can look at the slope of the lines, however you want to look at this. Up day, very marginal up day on inventory. This is like, yeah, price went up, but nobody cares or nobody believes it. So very weak, very, very weak. That being said, let's take a look at the intraday overnight action. We only have 24, no, that's not right. 20, it went to 73 to 43 would be 30. That's not a bad overnight range, but slightly better than average. Where do we have resistance? We've got some confluence at 42.70. I'm going to say 42.80, as well as there's some around 42.86. 4,300, of course, the whole number. There's stuff above it as well. Support, you should be some support around the overnight low, 42.45. Some confluence around 42.42, 42.32, and then there's actually some right down here at 42.19. Those are your intraday numbers. Stock Traders Almanac for today is 42.9, 42.9. Probability that the market will be up. So we have a negative expectancy today from the historics from the Stock Traders Almanac. Again, remember to comment, like, and subscribe, most important. And we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.